Hi everyone, now let's talk about update method in Python data structure dictionary. So this update method can be used to updating the value from dictionary to dictionary. Now let us understand here d equal to I am just taking 1, then here I am just taking good, and then 2, then here bad. So I'm just taking, you can take a number of values, but I'm just taking two values here, then print of d here, and then print of type of d. When we execute, this is the dictionary. Then what we need to do, we need to update the value. So how we can update the value, now let us understand here. Now I am just updating the key, or you can take one more dictionary here, that is you can say d1, or you can say d2. You can take this one d1, and then this will be d2 here. So now what we need to understand, d2 equal to, then here 2, in the sense here 2 keyword I have not good. So this is the value for this. You can take it. So this is the d1, and then d1 here, and this is the d1, and then d1, this is the d2. So we have two dictionaries here. How we are updating the value? Now this is the two dictionaries we have. Now let's see how we can update the value. Now I am updating d1 dot, you can use update method, then you can pass the dictionary name, the first dictionary name, that is first or second, whatever. d2 I am taking. So whenever I am updating this one, this is called updating the key value, updating key values here, or you can say key value. So when I execute here, then print again here d1, and then print d2 here. Now previously what is the value for print here, for 2 key, what is the value bad here. Now what is the value here, not good. That means we are updating a value of 2 from dictionary 2 to dictionary 1. So when the keys are here. So now let us understand one more example here. So now what we need to understand, I'm just taking dict1 equal to, this is I'm just updating the value, course is the keyword, then that will be Python. Then another one I'm taking duration, it will be 40 days. Just I'm taking, this is the two keys I have. Now you can take another dictionary, dict2 equal to, then you can say duration, then it will be 45 days, and you can see dict3 also if required. Then course, then it will be Java. Now what we need to understand here, so whenever I am executing here, now let's see first display dictionaries, dict1, then print dict2, then print dict3. So whenever I am executing here, I am just getting these values. Now I need to use update method here. What I am trying to do here, dict1 dot update here, then dict2. So whenever I am executing here, what will happen? Now you can call again these dictionary 1 and dictionary 2. What will happen? Now let's see. Previously For dict1 duration will be 40 days. Now I am updating from dict2 when the key is matches, duration is matches here, then this 45 days is happening and this is replacing with 40 days. So here 40 days, when I use dict1 that is 45 days from dictionary 2. Same thing you take dict1. Now let's see here, print of dict1 you directly take, and then here dict1 dot update, then you can say dict3, then again you can print here dict1, then you can get clear picture on this. So what will be the first after updating, what will be the value? Now execute here. So dict3 here, okay, dict1, let's see. Now see here, when I execute dict1 here, from 2 times it's happening here, you don't need to this one. So when I execute, the course is Java and duration. Previously it was Python. Now you can take it here, if you want you can take it print of dict3. Now execute. So now this is the dict3 and it is replacing from Java. So it was previously it was Python, now we are using Java. So this is all about how we are updating the value using Python dictionary method. Now whenever you are trying to update the value, now let's see here what we need to discuss. Now whenever you are updating the value, for example I am just taking 3 examples here, okay. Now there is no, let me take dict3 is not there, and then remove this. So I have 2 dictionary 1 and dictionary 2. In dictionary 2 I don't have any value, this is time. So now what I am trying to do, I am trying to update dict1 dot update of then dict2. So whenever I am executing here dict1, then see here it is adding a new dictionary for that, so new element for that, you can understand here. So previously dictionary, if you want you can take it like print of, so you can say directly you can count it here, these are 2 elements we have and this is the element from dictionary 3 2, then updating into dict1, then when the key is not matches, then it will add as a new element for that. So like this. So this is all about update method from dictionary data structure, okay. So thank you so much, see you in the next class.